Hello guys, welcome to Love2Code. In this video, I will talk about major differences between Java and Python. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's see the differences between Java and Python. Python is dynamically typed. There is no need to declare anything. An assignment statement binds a name to an object, and the object can be of any type. Whereas Java is statically typed. All the variable names, along with their types, must be explicitly declared. Attempting to assign an object of the wrong type to a variable name triggers a type exception. In Python, no typecasting required when using container objects, but in Java typecasting is required when using container objects. Python express much in limited words and it is compact. Java contains more words and it is less compact. Python is easy to learn compared to Java. Python uses indentation for structuring code, whereas Java uses braces for structuring code. The classical Hello World program illustrating the relative verbosity of a Java program and Python program is shown here. You can see that just to print Hello World in Java, you have to write a class, and then a method inside a class, and finally write a system.out.println to print Hello World. Whereas in Python, it is a single line code to print Hello World. Love2Code is very soon going to introduce course on Python for beginners. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share.